Hello friends, we are going to write a Python program to check a number is prime or not by using while loop. I am having a variable n equal to integer of input of enter a number. I am closing the input statement, I am closing the int function. So input statement will display enter a number in the console. This is string. When user enter a number, input statement receives the number as a string, int function convert it as an integer and storing it in the variable n. Now I am initializing a variable flag equal to 1 and I equal to 2. I am initializing a variable flag equal to 1, I equal to 2. I am writing a loop statement while I less than n colon. So I equal to 2, the loop will go from 2 to I less than n. That means n minus 1. Why we are writing a logic? A prime number is a number which is completely divided by itself and 1. That means when you divide the prime number by itself and 1 only, the remainder is 0. Otherwise, the remainder will not be 0. So I am going to check from 2 to n minus 1 for any number. When you divide it, the given n, the remainder is 0. That is not a prime number. When you divide it by 2 to n minus 1, the remainder is not a 0, it is a prime number. That's why I am writing a loop like this. It will go from 2 to n minus 1. Here I am checking if n modulo I double equal to 0 colon. When you divide n by I, the remainder is 0, then only the condition become true. In this case, I am assigning the value of the variable flag equal to 0 and I am performing the break statement. Break means the control will come out of the entire loop. When you divide n by any value 2 to n minus 1, the remainder is 0. I am changing the value flag equal to 0 and giving the break statement. That means the number is not a prime number. Otherwise, from 2 to n minus 1, this condition is false. When you divide the number n from 2 to n minus 1, remainder is not a 0. That means the condition is never become true. This body will not get executed. The flag will have the value 1. So after the if statement, I am increasing I by 1. I equal to I plus 1. Loop variable will get incremented by 1. After the while loop, I am checking a condition. If flag equal to 1, that means double equal to 1. If this condition is true, what is the meaning? From the value of 2 to n minus 1, this condition is become never false. I will take the value 2 to n minus 1. When you divide the number n by 2 to n minus 1, the remainder is not a 0. In this case, this is a prime number. I am printing print the value of the variable n followed by a string is a prime number. Else colon, that means the flag is not a 1. When the flag is not a 1, when you divide the number n from the value of 2 to n minus 1 for any I value from 2 to n minus 1, the remainder is 0, then only the flag will become 0. So this condition will become false. I am printing print n followed by a string is not a prime number. I am closing the double quotation. I am closing the print statement. So this is the program. I am obtaining a number n from the user, initializing a variable flag equal to 1, and I is the loop variable. I am initializing it with the 2. Here I am writing a loop. While loop, I am checking a condition I less than n. So I initial value is to go up to n minus 1. If this condition is true, I am checking n modulo I double equal to 0. When the when you divide n by I, remainder is 0. What I am doing, I am changing the value of flag to 0. Initial value is 1, now it is 0. I am giving a break. If I am giving a break means the control will come out of the entire while loop and come to the next statement after the while loop. Otherwise, this is not a false. What it will do? It will increment I by 1 and check I less than or equal to n and check n modulo I. This is not a 0 and I will get incremented by 1. When you divide n by 2 to n minus 1, the remainder is not a 0, then the flag will have a value 1. For any value of I 2 to n minus 1, when you divide the n by any value 2 to n minus 1, the remainder is 0, flag is become 0, break will encountered, control will come out immediately. It is continuously executed, then n modulo I is never 0, flag will return a value 1. So after the while loop, I am checking flag equal to 1, I am printing the value of the variable n followed by is a prime number. Because the flag equal to 1, this condition is never encountered. So it is the n modulo I is never 0 for the I value 2 to n minus 1. Flag double equal to 1 is false, the control will come to the else statement and print n is not a prime number. That means this condition is encountered, flag is become 0, it is not a 1. If the flag double equal to 1 is false, in this case what will happen? For any I value from 2 to n minus 1, the n modulo I double equal to 0 become true. When you divide n by any I value 2 to n minus 1, the remainder is 0 for the any I value. So flag has changed to 0 and break is encountered. That's why this condition is false. In this case, I am printing n is not a prime number. We'll take a sample input and check how this program works. Okay. So here I am taking the value of n is 5. Okay, n equal to 5. So here I am writing the value of n. This is 5. Okay, I am initializing I is 2. Okay, flag value is 1. Okay, then here I am checking I less than n followed by, so flag value is 1. Okay, so here I am writing n modulo I. Okay, initial value of n equal to 5, I equal to 2, flag equal to 1. I am checking a condition. I am checking a condition 2 less than 5. The condition is true. Control will come out and check n modulo I. N modulo I means, so n is 5 modulo 2. The remainder is 1. So this condition is false. I value will get incremented. So now I is become 3. Okay, flag is returning its same value and it will check 3 less than 5 is true. Will come and check 5 modulo 3. 5 modulo 3, the value is 2. What will happen? Here also the condition is false. I will get incremented by 1. Now I value is 4. We'll check 4 less than 5. The condition is true. Flag is returning its value 1 and 5 modulo 4. Okay, this value remainder is 1. So in this case, what will happen? This condition will not get encountered. I will get incremented by 1. So I is 5 now and we'll check 5 less than 5. This is false. It will come out and check flag equal to 1. This is true because the flag value is 1. So it will print 5 is a prime number. Prime number. Okay. For a sample, I am taking a value 4. N equal to 4. Here I am writing initial value of I equal to 2. Flag initial value is 1 and here I am having a n modulo I. Okay, so n equal to 4, I equal to 2, flag equal to 1. The value 2 less than 4, the condition is true. You come here and check n modulo I. N is 4, I equal to 2, the remainder is 0. This condition is become true now. Flag is become 0. And break, the control will come out of the loop and check flag equal to 1. This is false. It will come here to the else part and print n is not a prime number. To print output 4 is not a prime number. The program is working perfectly. That's it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, share, comment and press the bell button. Thank you.